A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, Z for goat, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for pencil, Q for queen, R for ring, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for fan, W for window, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, Z for zebra,